Shore Sports Zone's coverage of Red Bank Catholic is brought to you by Immediate Care Medical Walk-In of Red Bank. Shore Sports Zone's coverage of the Middletown North Lions is sponsored by Beacon Awards.
Tyler Schmelz, the new head coach at his alma mater, RBC. The Casey's with a 27-15 lead on Middletown North at the half on opening night, and the upset alert was on. Here's Terrence Calandrio with the drive. He led RBC with 16 points. Defense was at a premium. Check out Isaiah McDowell with the block shot for the Lions. And then up the other end, hey, we got a block party. Charlie Gordonier with the swat. The crowd enjoying an intense second half. Middletown North chipped away at the lead. Rob Higgins is a marksman. Here he knocks down one of his 6 3-pointers on the night. Early fourth quarter, it's Higgins finding John Tomasetti. His lay-in gets North within 1. We've got a 35-34 game, 6:40 to go. North Nation is loving it. But RBC responds with a huge spark from Mike Conley. This 3-pointer is big, and then Conley in transition. He wins the foot race up ahead. 5 straight points for Mike Conley. The lead is back at 6, 40-34. Higgins led all scorers with 22 points. This 3-pointer makes it a 42-40 game, 2:27 to go. Then off the miss, the ball kicks out to Mark Serbo from 3. Nailed it. Middletown North draws even, 46-46 with 1:05 to go. RBC would get to the free throw line in crunch time, and Matt Ansell was money. The outstanding football player shows his clutch ability at the charity stripe. He sang 3 free throws. The Casey's get 5 points from the line in the final minute, and the Lions couldn't make another bucket. RBC scores a 51-46 upset win against Middletown North. Congratulations to head coach Tyler Schmelz, who picks up his first career win as Casey's varsity coach.
That was earned in practice the last 20 days, or whatever many days we've been practicing. I mean, these guys have been practicing so hard. Coaching staff's really pushing the limit of how hard they can work, and we're defending and we're playing together. Everybody stepped up. It's really nice to beat those guys.
It was a great win. We worked hard in practice, and hard work really paid off, and I'm glad to see my team win. We just kept fighting. It all starts on defense. We've been working defense all year, and that goes to Coach Schmelz.
For more Jersey Shore sports, log on to shoresportzone.com.